What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what's up, Zach? What's up, Beelzebub? What's up, guys?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Thank you guys for being here. As always, appreciate everyone. And my bad about getting started a little late today. I was getting dressed up today. Took a little longer than I expected. Had a problem getting my tie on, but it looks fun in the picture here, so whatever. Alright, so today is Wednesday, June 22nd, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Go in the making. Yeah, well, today was pretty bad. Well, it was actually pretty good up until Power Hour, and then it got pretty bad, so yeah, we'll get to that in a second. But yeah, today was go in the end. At the end, it was go for sure. Hype. Hype about what? Beelzebub? Revlon? No, I'm kidding. What you hype about, dude? And what up, Easy? What's up, dude?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Okay. So yeah, today we're doing the show from Rajasthan. Rajasthan. My stream is hype. Alright, got you, dude. Appreciate that. So yeah, today we're doing the show from Rajasthan. Nasty way to close the day. Terrible power hour. Or sour hour, as Wilson would call it. It's not here yet. But yeah, so everything was in the green. And, yeah, bleeding all day. Everything finishes in the red here. Slightly in the red. So not really what we wanted to see. But, you know, it could have been worse. This isn't too bad, but just pretty disappointing the way things started and the way things ended. So, yeah, Rajasthan today. And I think crypto's going down as well. So, all around good today. Started good, ended bad. So, yes, Rajasthan today. Was going to do Tendy Town, had to change it last minute. And what up, Swirls? What's up, dude? Mullen finished green. Yeah, Mullen is going well. I don't know what it finished at, but it was up like 10% earlier. I think it finished in the green, but pulled back. Yeah, finished up 4%. Or a little more than that. 5%, around there. So yeah, we discussed Mullen yesterday. Not going to do it again today. But yeah, Mullen, honorable mention. That did make StockTwits. Just not too much price action today. Bitcoin just above 20K, so not that bad. Well, you know, it was at 17, this weekend, so got to take your small wins where you can. And yeah, there's some rumors going around that, you know, options expire on Friday for crypto, and the market makers are trying to pin it below 20K this time, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, so today wasn't all that bad, but, you know, this is getting pretty frustrating. We just need a winning streak going here. We need some momentum. And every time we do get some momentum, it goes right back down. But, yeah, not a bad way to finish. Well, it was a bad way to finish the day. But overall, not the most terrible day in the world. But pretty unfortunate. Pretty disappointing. Okay. So, appreciate everyone for being here. Wednesday is typically one of the better days for streaming. So, good amount of people in here, nice and early already, and hopefully more people come in later. But yeah, guys, I don't have too much planned for today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today I only have one article, or two articles. I got two articles about Huobi, the Korean exchange, Huobi, and one article about Biden and the gas tax. We'll get to that. Shouldn't take too long. And then today for the TA, for the analysis, we'll be going over Revlon, REV. Talked about that yesterday and Friday. Still squeezing here today. It is the hottest stock right now. So we'll cover that once again. The content's going to be better than yesterday because there's more indicators around this time. And then we're going to do Redbox, which we haven't discussed in a little bit. but that's still popular. Had like 4,000 mentions, so we'll get to that, and that did have a good amount of price action, so we're talking about today. Revlon had like 9,000 mentions, so yeah, Revlon by far the biggest stock, most important stock that we need to talk about, but we're going to do Redbox as well. And yeah, Mullen honorable mention. A few honorable mentions, I think Tesla as well, some other stuff. So yeah, Revlon, Redbox, and then the Yolos. Yolos shouldn't take too long, mostly memes. And then I think there's like 1 or 2 actual Yolos, but yeah, that shouldn't take too long. So, yeah, all in all, guys, not so much to go over. 2 articles, 2 TAs, not that many Yolos. So we'll aim for 1.5 to 2 hours today. Hopefully it's more towards 1.5 hours, but we'll see. It depends on how many people come in chat, which I always welcome. You know, yesterday I didn't have too much planned, but there was a lot of chatting, so stuck around for over 2 hours. So we'll see how today goes, but in terms of my content, I don't have too much for you guys today. So hopefully more people come in and chat later in the show. All right, let's get started, guys. Make sure I look fine here. Looks pretty good. All right. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right. So entry possible in Bitcoin this weekend. Well, not financial advice, but you know, I do think 20K is a pretty damn good entry. So yeah, I'm all for buying the dip. Buy the effing dip. Quadruple retail slaughtering, LMAO. Are you referring to the witching? It's not the witching, it's the slaughtering? Yeah, maybe. We'll see. Alright, let's do it, guys. Oh, looks like I gotta switch this, because it ain't no tendies today, not anymore. Boom, there we go. And boom, there we go. Let's do it, guys. Let me check YouTube real quick. We are at 3 viewers, 6 likes. I think we got more than that. But, alright, overall, we'll roll with it. A little bit of a slow start, that's cool. Let's do it. Green or red side first? We'll start on the green. Yeah, it's become a habit now. Yeah, I don't blame you. Everything is good. You know, kind of have to expect the good now. Whenever there's option expiration, equal good. Okay, so yeah, every Friday is good. Pretty much. Not all the time, but most of the time, yeah. Option expiry is good. Alright, let's do it here. So I'm a little behind on TD, so I'm going to use TradingView for the moment. Alright, so the Dow Jones down 0.15%, NASDAQ down 0.16%, and the S&P down 0.13%. Good. So yeah, nasty power hour. Everything finishes in the red here. Not good, but hey, could have been worse. Didn't finish that much in the red. Slightly red. Everything finishes. Okay. Let's see. VIX is down 3.68%. Down 1.11 points, down to 29 now. So, not bad, not bad. You know, you would think the VIX would go up. Usually it does when everything is red. But VIX pulled back good amount today. So 29 VIX, not great, but, you know, better than 30. Better than in the 30s. So, you know, hopefully that recovers. Or that goes down. And we get closer to 20 once again. Without any, you know, without anything disrupting the momentum this time. Hopefully this time is the actual bottom. One can hope. So yeah, slightly bearish day. Let's check it out. Here comes the first sirens of the day. My bad, guys. Going to talk over it. Yes, DD finally got delisted here. All right, we'll start on the green side. So XELA, which is a honorable mention, this had like 3,000 mentions on StockTwits today. Had some pretty big news there, so that was pumping. That's up 39%, 19 cents. Very nice, honorable mention there. We got Novavax 10%, MMAT 7.5. Mullen honorable mention 5.25. That also made StockTwits top 10. Yeah, we got Roblox, Ocugen, Moderna. Netflix went up a lot today, 4.67%. Interesting. It did go down a lot yesterday, but yeah, Netflix, one of the bright spots today. Got Ethereum, Palantir, DoorDash, Virgin Galactic, Li Auto, DraftKings. Mostly growth here. Don't see too much value. Roku, eBay, Pfizer, Snapchat, T-Mobile, not T-Mobile, AT&T, Xpeng, J&J, McDonald's, Kraft Heinz, Lyft, PayPal, Domino's, Pepsi, AMC. Yeah, not too much going on the green side here. They got some random stuff. GM, Adobe, Dollar General, Starbucks, Amazon. So, yeah, not much happening on the green side. Just some growth / meme stocks. Had some pretty big gains today. And Netflix. But yeah, not too much value. Mostly growth. Check out the red side. What up, Cubic Rex and Machete? What's up, guys?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Well, Cubic just deleted his message, but he said 10K Bitcoin, which I sure hope not. It's possible, unlikely but possible. That would suck. 10K Bitcoin. Yeah, let's hope not. But appreciate you, dude. Ghost City towards the end of the day there. Yeah, Power Hour was pretty nasty. We were green all day, and then, yeah, nasty Power Hour, everything sold off. So, yeah, sucks. But, yeah, like I said, could have been worse. But, yeah, what a bad way to end the day. Worst way you can end the day, really. And what up, Zipdick? I think you've been here before. I think I remember you. So, welcome back, dude. Wish I got into Rev sooner. Yep, well, you can't win them all, dude. Sounds like you did manage to get in, and I think it sounds like you are in the profit right now. So, yeah. Sucks, but no one has a crystal ball, so just glad you are in the profit, and, just be careful. You gotta hit the sell button sooner or later. Don't get too greedy, secure your gains. Got in at 4, so, yeah, you got in pretty early, actually. The bottom was, what, like 150, like 2, something like that, so... Yeah, 4 is a pretty good entry. So you're up over 100% already. You should be. Around 100%. So congrats to you, dude. So yeah, could have been more, but that's pretty good entry already. 100%. So I can't complain too much. Congrats to you, dude. What's up? I like your channel. I'm subscribed. Yeah, dude, you've been here. You were here yesterday as well. So I didn't know you were sub, though. So appreciate you, dude, for that. And yeah. Hope to have you here in the future during the show. That'd be nice. All right, guys. Onto the red side. Please smash that like button if you haven't yet. All right, so, wow, SOS went down 27%. Interesting. Redbox, which we'll discuss second today, down 13%. More in the aftermarket. So we'll discuss that after Revlon. AERC pulling back. Coinbase down 10%. Yeah, crypto's not doing too good today. Riot down about 10%. Another crypto stock. Marathon down. Another crypto stock. Looks like oil's going down. Small and large cap. MicroStrategy down. Chevron down 4.35%. Yeah, oil didn't do too good today. Exxon down 4%. CEI, IMPP, INDO, all the oil stocks going down. BP. HUSA, Nike down 3.5%. BBIG 2.8. Yeah, a lot of stuff here. Spotify, DWAC, Hilton, Tilray, Bed Bath & Beyond, GME, Nvidia, Wish, Alibaba. Oh, Tesla went in the red. Interesting. Yeah, I got some random stuff there. So there's actually a good amount of value in the red. Target's down about 3%. So, yeah, not really expecting that. So, yeah, the things that really went down today looks like crypto and oil for the most part. But some value stocks did take quite a hit today. So, yeah, for sure. Value's holding down the market today, it seems like. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, some value stocks did sell off quite a bit. So, yeah, very unfortunate. Looks like value's holding down the market today. Growth didn't do that bad. A lot of it went up, a lot of it went down. Yeah, overall, seems like slightly bearish day in the stock market today. Apes did okay. Boomers not doing too good today, it seems like. So, yeah, we'll give that the go. Not the worst day, but pretty disappointing way to end the day today. Cool. All right, let's get to crypto. My friend got in at 110. He called it once they released that hit piece on it when it was 150. As soon as it hit 110, he loaded up on them. Well, sounds like half skill, half luck, or, both of them. Maybe not half and half, but yeah, there was definitely skill and luck involved there. He caught, like, the very bottom. That is pretty insane. That's very hard to do, so congrats to your friend. Shout out to him. And Zach says, check out Discord. Yeah, if you guys want to check out Discord, if you're not in Discord, check it out. Link in the description down below. And if you want, we can chat whenever, not just during the live show. Cool. All right. Let's get to crypto here. 1 second. Gotta pull it up. And while we do that, let me check YouTube again. 6 viewers, 7 likes. So decent amount of people in here. Please smash that like button, guys, if you haven't yet. All right. Oh, wow, this is pretty bad. Yep, okay. So crypto is down 2.94% today. Market cap keeps going lower and lower. So we were at 900 billion not too long ago, like yesterday, and now we're at 890 billion. So another 10 billion got taken off there. Trending, we got Terra Classic, Celsius, and Bitcoin. And we don't have biggest gainers anymore. But recently added, we got Listen to Earn, Bitcoin Avalanche Bridged. Okay. And Lunar Flare, LFG. Interesting. All right, let's check it out here. So, yeah, Bitcoin down 3.73%, pushing 20K now. Oh, my God. Come on. Ether down 4%, over 4%, under 1,100 again. Binance down 1.4%. Cardano down 2.5%, XRP 1%, Solana 4.64%, Doge 4%. Yeah, everything's down. Sheep down a lot, 8%. Leo is holding up. That's over 4%, and Uniswap is up as well, and Polygon. So there's some green in here, but mostly red. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash down. Ether Classic down. Let's sort this out, but this does not look good. Seems like a whole lot of red, not too much green. What's up, Brucey? What's up? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. He's very smart. He looked at the bankruptcy and saw it wasn't a bankruptcy, even though it wasn't the bankruptcy everyone thought it would be, and saw how their earnings were higher than last year. Made a video of it like 6 days ago. You both would be great. But yeah, dude, be sure to invite him to the community. He has a video. Why don't you type in the his name his channel name. I'll check him out later. Sounds really smart. Risky stuff, but yeah, paid off pretty big there. Literally caught the bottom. Yeah, it wasn't like they're going out of business, but they did declare bankruptcy and they're reorganizing, restructuring their financials going forward. Okay. You'll post in Discord. All right, dude. Check it out later. Shout out to you and him. All right, so on the green side here, maybe 20% of the coins in the green, if that. Not many coins in the green here. Biggest gainer is Polygon by far, 9.3%, and then Cosmos, Leo. Don't see too many value coins here. Just Leo, Uniswap. That's about it. Yeah, so really not much happening on the green side here. And on the red side, actually price action isn't too bad on the red side, but most of the coins in the red. Biggest loser, Filecoin, 8.8%, Sheeb, 8%. And it looks like there's a decent amount of value coins here. Sheeb, FTX, Solana, Ether, Doge. So yeah, price action on both sides weren't too bad, but definitely a lot more red than green here. So yeah, kind of the same thing with the stock market. Good amount of growth and value in the red here. So yeah, slightly bearish day in stock market, bearish day in crypto, all around good today. Nasty stuff. Make it stop, make it stop. This hurts. But, you know, pretty normal at this point. Alright, let's, what are we doing next? Articles, right, articles. 1 second here, guys. Please smash that like button. Let me pull up the articles here. Got 2 of them today. Alright. I'm all in on XRP and XDC for crypto. If that XRP lawsuit drops, oh baby. Yeah, we have a few people in the community that are really into XRP, and I've seen XDC as well. I know Marvin was really into those cryptos. I don't think he comes around too much anymore. But yeah, if you want, hit up Marvin, or I think he's the coldest Pomeranian in Discord, and you guys could talk a lot about XRP and XDC. I know he really likes those cryptos. You know, personally, I'm not too big into XRP like that, but you know, I wish the XRP army the best. Rooting for you guys. All right, so today, guys, only got 2 articles. One about Huobi and insider trading, and one about Biden and the gas tax. Let's do it. Huobi manager accused of insider trading, netting millions in Tether. So, yeah, it says former manager getting prosecuted in Hong Kong. He made $5 million in Tether, insider trading. Chen Bolang, 34. He created a $20 million credit line with his father's account and did some insider trading. Terminated in May 2020. And he's now just getting charged. Says a $25,000 bail. So pretty short article. But yeah, this guy made out with a lot of money here. It says $5 million. And did he get to keep the money or what? I don't know. Probably suing him for it back. But alright, so yeah, he will be insider trading. Not surprising. Yeah, we don't hear about insider trading too much when it comes to crypto. But yeah, OpenSea, there was insider trading there. We covered that not too long ago. And now we have a report of Huobi insider trading. So this is going to be more prevalent coming up. I'm sure of that. But yeah. Insider trading finally going. People finally getting caught for insider trading in crypto. There's rampant fraud in crypto. So minor news there. And next article. What up, Wilson? And what up, Henrik? What's up, guys?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Please tell me about HUSA and WTI. Sure, dude. Let me just finish up with this next article. Then we'll get into the TA. But appreciate you guys. Please smash the like button as you come in. Okay. Next article here. Biden calls on Congress to suspend the gas tax. Here's what that means for prices at the pump. President Joe Biden called on Congress Wednesday to suspend the federal gas tax as he tries to quell the rapid surge in prices at the pump. The federal tax is 18 cents per gallon of regular gas and 20 cents per gallon for diesel. If this bill is signed and enacted, it will help motorists, said Patrick DeHaan, head of petroleum analysis at Gas Buddy. Okay. So, yeah, midterms are coming around. Biden trying to get his approval rating back up. It's pretty bad, by the way. So, yeah, this would help a little bit. Suspending the gas tax, or even just lowering. So, 18 cents per gallon. That'll add up. That probably save you a couple bucks per every time you fill up. Not the most money in the world, but hey, better than nothing. So, we'll see if this goes through. If this goes through or not. Probably not, because Republicans block everything this guy tries to do. He could sign an executive order if he really wants, I guess. But yeah, so maybe we'll get a little bit of a break on gas here. Maybe the gas tax will be suspended, and that'll help us out a little bit. So we'll see. But yeah, I certainly wouldn't mind this. I don't even drive that much. Okay. So yeah, two minor articles there. He will be insider trading and Biden gas tax. Nothing too crazy going on today. Gas prices as high as Hunter Biden. That's a good one. Yeah, good one, Beelzebub. I've seen interviews of him on like Jimmy Kimmel and stuff, and because both him and the My Pillow guy, what's his name, Mike Lindell, they both were, shooting up a lot. They were on that hard stuff, but when Jimmy Kimmel interviewed the My Pillow guy versus Hunter Biden, it was just like a lot more biased. I'm not gonna get into it, but it was just pretty absurd to me how they're both drug addicts, and one of them gets way better treatment. That's media for you these days. I'm expecting a change in tone of the Fed before the midterms. If so, rally to new highs. Well, we'll see if they're done increasing rates, but by the looks of it, they have no plans on stopping the rate hikes anytime soon. So maybe they'll get done before midterms. Still got a couple of months. But realistically, I don't think they're not gonna be done raising rates. And I do expect the Republicans to win pretty big in the midterms and 2024. We'll see though. They have to at least pause them. Well, they don't have to, but they can. They certainly can. But our man Jay Powell did say he's committed to fighting inflation. That's his number one priority. And I don't think he really cares about politics, He's there to do his job. So we'll see. But I think there's a good chance the Fed doesn't do anything differently. And, it's not the Democrats' fault, but when the economy's good, parties claim credit. When it's bad, it's not my fault. That's how it goes. kind of have to. Otherwise, they will be blamed by the Dems for the epic failure that they will get coming elections. Yeah, well, like I said, they don't have to. But, yeah, for sure. You're going to get blamed either way. You're going to catch some heat. There's nothing you can do. But, you know, the job of the Fed is not political. Their job is to do their thing. Fight inflation, whatever. That's their job right now. They're not supposed to have a political agenda. You know, both Trump and Biden do like Powell. Well, Trump did like Powell. So, we'll see, we'll see. Definitely going to be interesting to see what goes on. I don't really care. I just want the hikes to be over, and I want the economy to go in the green again. I want to see some green for a change. Yeah, keep on dreaming. Probably going to be a while, another year, another 6 months at least. All right, so that's all the articles for today, guys. Let's get back to the TA. So I think Henrik wants to see some stuff first. What are we looking at? All right, so we're going to do HUSA, WTI, and then we'll get on to Revlon and Redbox. So HUSA, I know oil didn't do good today. Let's see here. Wow. This has been squeezing, huh? So the gap filled here at 770. Yeah, this is probably going to come back down to $4. 390. Unfortunately. $5 is pretty standard. Very average RSI, but yeah, there's a gap up at 390. So I think this one's coming back down to 390. Unfortunately. Yeah, I probably would have cashed this one at 770 once the gap filled. Or like $8. So this one is pretty neutral at the moment, but I think it's going to pull back to 390, fill the gap before it goes up again. Hope not, though. And what's the other one? WTI. So this looks like another oil stock. This one looks similar to Exxon and Chevron. Yeah, so, wow, this went down from 9 to 5 in like 2 weeks here. So this one looks like a buy. Maybe not yet. But, yeah, this is a double gap down at 540 and 820, so should eventually go back up there. RSI is down to 32, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but pretty much there. So this one looks like it should reverse and come back, but it's not done. It's not done selling off just yet. So I like this one. I would buy WTI. Maybe not yet, but coming up. And I'd stay away from HUSA at the moment. So I hope that answers your question, Henrik. Yeah, this one looks like a pretty good buy soon. Not financial advice. This one looks pretty bullish. Okay. Did some research the other day. Each election year, the Fed gets dovish. What do you mean? What do you mean dovish? Interesting. Okay, so, yeah, once again, guys, we're going to do Revlon. That's the big stock today. Revlon and then Redbox. And, of course, we have a siren coming as soon as we need to get to the important stuff. Wow, it's pulling back here in the aftermarket. Yeah, so Revlon and then Redbox. This shouldn't take too long. Got my notes right here. Not too many indicators. And then the Yolos. So, we're doing pretty good on time here. It's only been 40 minutes. It is 4:39. And we already finished our articles, and we're getting on to TA, so. Yeah, maybe we'll finish closer to 5:30. We'll see, but yeah, we'll finish 5:30 to 6 today. Yes, thank you. Bought 496 for which one? WTI. All right, so I think it's gonna go down a little bit more. It looks like a falling knife right now, but not a bad entry at all. So yeah, good luck to you, dude. Yeah, this one looks pretty good. You may have to wait a little bit. I probably would have waited a couple more days before entering, but yeah, you really can't go too wrong there at $5. So good luck to you, dude. Dovish, more K and no rate hikes. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, well, you can't. Well, it depends on the situation. This time around, it's different. I don't think they can really risk. They can't really afford to not. Oh, QE, quantitative easing. Got you. Yeah, they typically do that, but it really depends on the year and the situation. So this time around, I'm not sure if they can do that. Hopefully, though. But yeah, I don't. It's not supposed to be. It's not supposed to be political, though. They're just supposed to do their job. So we'll see what happens. But I'll definitely be open to that. But I wouldn't be surprised with it if they don't do anything. We'll see. We'll see. Still got 5 months to go. Less than that. A little more than 4 months to go, which will go by pretty fast. And then we'll have gridlock for the next 2 years. Sounds fun. What up, Finno? What's up? And what's up, Low Roller? What's up? Haven't seen you here before, Finno, so welcome to the show and the community. You think Revlon is falling below 7? Well, we'll get to that right now. But yes. Short answer, yes. And I'll get more into that right now. We're going to do a full TA. But short answer, yes. I do believe it's falling below 7. I'm pretty confident it will, actually. I'll explain right now. You got articles on Voyager for crypto? No. No, I don't. But you can link it, dude, and we'll get to it. We're not going to do it now. We'll get to it after I'm done with the TA. So before the Yolos. But yeah, thanks for being here, everyone. Please smash that like button. Let me check YouTube real quick. Take a drink, and yeah, we'll get started with the TA here. We got 12 viewers and 11 likes. So a lot of people in here. Appreciate you guys.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Please smash that like button, guys. We got more viewers than likes in here. All right, let's do it. Fair warning, my take is going to be bearish. But I'll explain myself right now. All right. So here is REV Revlon. This finishes at $8.14 today. That is up 34.32%. Appreciate you, Brucey. So we've been covering this stock for the past few days. Ever since this started squeezing last week. Honestly, I didn't think much of this stock. It didn't have much momentum. But every day, retail is jumping on this more and more. Ape's still in here strong, still diamond handing, and not giving up just yet. So, still short squeezing. Damn, blasted music outside. So, still short squeezing, and not done just yet. Squeeze is still on. So yeah, this did make top 10 on StockTwits today. I believe this was number 2 after SPY. So, a lot of retail interest. Hot stock right now. So, once again, we're going to analyze it. So, no company specific news to justify this price action today. Again, just a lot of retail momentum. Chatter picking up on social media. And the short squeeze is still on. Still strong, still on, and still strong. Still on and still strong. But prior to today, there was a lot of very odd events that got us to this point. They filed for bankruptcy. There were rumors about getting acquired by private equity. And then they got a loan for $375 million yesterday. So a lot of different events that the market took as bullish. And yeah, this went all the way from the $1 range to almost $10 today. Crazy price action. And not done just yet. All right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. I want to say bullish due to 0 shares being returned. However, I don't know if that's even true. And I'm bearish because it's already up like 800%. Yeah, I'm going to have to agree with you there. I think shares are definitely getting returned. Shorts are covering. And at this point, it does look like it's coming to an end. Pretty bearish, but yeah, we'll get to that right now. Okay. So first of all, this is a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 110. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 995. And if it is 995, this would currently be a bearish indicator because that would mean the cup already topped out and is due for a pullback to form the handle. And I do think the most realistic top would be 995. But anything above 995 would be a bullish indicator because that would mean the cup is not completed yet. It can also be 1065, 1140, 1190, 1390, 1570, 1635, or 1765. So the cup and handle can be bullish or bearish depending on where the top is. But personally, to me, it does appear more bearish than bullish. The cup already may have topped out at 995. Good chance the cup already topped out at 995. Bull flag. Guess we gotta redraw this. Here we do have a bull flag in the making. No confirmation just yet, but here's the flag pole. So all we would need is some pullback to form the flag, and that would be a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock may break out to the upside. And today this did gap up at $7. So that is a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should eventually come back down to $7 to fill that gap. And I do believe that's going to happen in the short term. And I do believe that's going to happen in the short term. And in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 790. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will sell off. I think I got everything there. Yes. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Alright, got your low roller. Got a lot of stuff for us, huh? We'll get to that after we're done with Redbox. You heard Kyrie Irving would be the Knicks. Are you a very Knicks fan since you are getting Kyrie Irving? It's a rumor. I don't think it's going to happen. Honestly, I don't even know if I want Kyrie Irving. I mean, I do, but he's a lot to deal with. I just want to win. I don't care. But at the end of the day, I think he's going to stick to the Nets. They kind of need each other, mutually beneficial. And no team really wants this guy anyway. He has to prove himself that he cares about basketball. All right. Did I already say that? And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So I think we'll go up to 10 and down to 6. Yeah, I think that's fair. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 825 and 805. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 825, 840, 860, 880, $9, 915, 930, 955, 975, 995, and then 1020. There is support, there is resistance above 1020, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 805, 790, 770, 735, 705, 660, 625, and then 595. There is support below 595, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Okay. So right now at the current price, 814. 814. The channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 770 to the downside, the channels start to open up and get really wide. So we'll expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 770. RSI is currently at 70. So this is officially in overbought and overvalued territory. So be careful, guys. And this did 176 million in volume today. Very significant volume. Second biggest volume day of the year after yesterday. So this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. And and the short squeeze is still on, still a lot of momentum. But it does appear like the momentum is starting to slow down and cool off. So it seems like the squeeze is either coming to an end or already has ended. Oh, forgot to mention too. So I did predict yesterday that there was more upside to go. I said it may go past $9. And today that is the case. But yeah, at this point, it doesn't look too bullish anymore. We're starting to get a good amount of bearish indicators. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. All right, rewind. So just my opinion, guys. Not financial advice. So yeah, what an incredible run. Went up almost 900% from the low to the high. Before, the past few days, when we were covering the stock, it looked like the squeeze was still on, and there was still a lot of upside to go. And after today, the squeeze is still on, but it is starting to look pretty bearish at this point. I don't personally think there's too much more upside, and I think the squeeze is going to wind down and come to an end pretty soon. At least that's what the volume and bearish indicators would suggest. Again, we have more bearish indicators than bullish indicators. We have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, bull flag, and bearish indicators in the cup and handle, gap up, and aftermarket action. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. At this point, I think it's a bit too late to go long here. You missed your chance. You already missed a lot of upside. And while there may be some more upside to go, going long at this point would probably be FOMO, and there's a good chance you get burned. Also the RSI. And we have a bearish indicator in the high RSI. So I don't really see a point in going long here. That would be a straight-up gamble. High risk, high reward. Not really an investment. So I don't like the entry of 814 on the long side. If you want to go long, I would hold off to at least $7. It'll probably go a lot lower than that, but $7 is where the gap fills. So this should come back down to $7 relatively soon. And I wouldn't really call that a good entry, but it's an acceptable entry. And it should go lower than that. So at the very minimum, I would set the buy orders to $7. So I can't support going long at $7 and lower. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. And if we do some quick math, and based on the cup and handle here, just a rough estimate, if the top is 10 and the bottom is 1, this should pull back to around maybe 550. This should pull back to around 550 to form the handle, because 550 is halfway between 10 and 1. The top and bottoms of the cup here. The top and bottom of the cup here. So yeah, this should at least come down to 7 to fill the gap, but personally, I think it's gonna come down closer to 550. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I said yesterday that I would hold off on the short side until this hits $8 or $9, and now it has hit, and now it has gone over $8. So yeah, this has been running like crazy for the past few trading sessions. This has to come crashing down at some point. It's a matter of when, not if. And I think that time is pretty soon. So $8 is already a really good entry. But maybe you can get, but maybe this will continue to run for a little bit longer, and you may be able to get an even better one. But yeah, according to the RSI, the current price 814 is overbought and overvalued. Should pull back to fill the gap. So it is starting to look pretty bearish in the short term. So I can't support going short at the current price 814 and higher. As long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure here, because this technically is still short squeezing. And again, this should come back down to at least 7 to fill the gap, and probably even lower to form the handle. Again, I do think it'll pull back somewhere around 550. And let's do some math here. So from the current price down to $7, that would be about a 15% downside. So some pretty good money there to be made. And from the current price down to 550, where I think this will pull back to form the handle, that's about a 35% downside. So I think you should be able to make 15 to 35% on the downside here relatively easily. So yeah, I would say going short here would be at the current price, 814 would be a medium risk, medium to high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. I don't think there's too much more upside to go and a lot of downside potential here. So going short looks pretty good play. Looks like a pretty good play to me. And again, it does appear like the squeeze is coming to an end. So yeah, going short appears to be a pretty good play to me. Okay. So pretty straightforward, guys. A few odd events led to the short squeeze. Still going strong here. Major price action today. But at some point or another, this will have to come crashing down. So if you're currently in the stock, consider taking profits. Lock in your gains. Don't get too greedy. If you want to go long, I don't think that's the greatest idea right now. Starting to look really bearish. Think you missed your chance. If you want to go long, I would enter at $7 and lower. I think 550 would be a really good entry. And if you want to go short, well, yeah, if you want to go long, I wouldn't do that. It's a straight up gamble right now. High risk, high reward. If you want to gamble, please do that at your own risk. And if you want to go short, looks like a pretty good play to me. $8, really good entry. Could be a little bit better, but can't go too wrong here as long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure. Looks pretty bearish in the short term. And you should be able to make 15 to 35% relatively easily on the short side here. So I support going short at $8 and higher, and I would cover anywhere at $7 and lower. Personally, I'd look to cover around $5.50. Okay. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is REV Revlon. Well, let me do that again. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is REV Revlon. Okay. Cool. Took a little longer than I expected. So now we'll just do Redbox. And so, alright, so we'll probably go closer to 6. Yeah, because this will probably take like 20 minutes, and then we'll finish up with the Yolos. Cool. We're down to 8 viewers, 12 likes. So a lot of people in here still. Appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Please smash the like button. And I'll try to get through this as quick as possible. Try not to bore you guys. I know I'm talking a lot here. My apologies. But yeah, let's finish up with Redbox and the Yolos. You got a lot of stuff for us, huh, Roller? Alright, we'll get to that. Cool, Redbox. So here is RDBX Redbox Entertainment. This finishes at $10.10 today. That is down 12.93%.
And it's gone.
So we've been covering this stock for a couple months now. Ever since this squeezed. From $2 to $11. It pulled back, squeezed again. And still a very popular stock on social media. Ape's still in here, trying to squeeze this. So no company specific news. Well, this did make top 10 on StockTwits today. Had over 4,000 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. So no company specific news to justify this price action today. It just seems like momentum is cooling off. It seems like the squeeze is over. For now, at least. So just people taking profits. Shorts coming in here. And shorts coming in here. And just the overall markets didn't do too good today. Alright, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, this appears to be a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 160. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 1840. Which I do think is the most realistic top. But it can also be 1925, 2005, or even the high of 2720. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Bull flag. In the previous shows, I did point out that we had multiple bull flags developing here. Here was the first one, broke out. Here's the second one, broke out. And then it appeared like we had a third bull flag developing, and that got rejected. But actually now we have one giant bull flag developing. Here's the flagpole, here's the flag. So that would be a bullish indicator that is suggesting that this stock may break out to the upside. There was a gap down at 1370. So that is a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 1370. Eventually to fill that gap. And then we had a gap up at 860. So that would be a bearish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back down to 860 to fill that gap. And both of those gaps should be filled in the short term. And MACD, let me move my head here. Oh, wrong one. And down here on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line has crossed the signal line. So that is a bearish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to sell. Okay, I think I got everything there. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. All right, so I think we'll go up to I guess we'll go up to 15 and down to 5. Sure. So right now this is sitting on the support of 1010, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1030, 1050, 1090, 1125, 1170, 1205, 1240, 1270, 1305, 1340, 1395, 1440, 1475, and then 1555. There is resistance above 1555, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 980, and I hear the siren coming. Did you change the format of the show today? No, I just, we got through everything pretty fast before you came in. So, no, we didn't change this format. But we're just going to finish up here, and then we'll do your articles, because it came in a little late. So, no low roller. We just got started real quick here, and now it's slowing down. All right, back to this. 980, 945, 915, 880, 850, 820, 970, excuse me, 790, 764, 765, 735, 710, 685, 660, 640, 620, $6, 575, 560, 545, 520, and then 505. There is support below 505, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at the current price, 1010, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. And we'll put a stop here. Call it 710. However, if/when this breaks 710 to the downside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 710. RSI is currently at 55. So that is pretty average, a little bit above average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 1010 is around fair market value. Maybe it should be a little bit lower. And this did 8.5 million in volume today, way above the average of 4 million. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. You got crypto news today. I only had one about Huobi, insider trading. But it seems like you got some stuff for us, so we'll get to that. What's up, Ken? You made it. Yeah, you were here yesterday at the very end, so couldn't shout you out, but you did make it at the very end yesterday, so glad you could make end of the show here today. Just finishing up here with Redbox, and then we'll get to the Yolos. IMPP doing good, Mr. Wong. I didn't see IMPP doing... Didn't oil go down today? I think it went down. Not sure, but shout out to you, dude. Glad you could make the show. All right, back to this. I guess I should mention also. And in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to $10. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator that is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will sell off. It holds support 50 cent. Yeah, I think 48 is the is some critical support there. Voyager could be next Celsius. All right, we'll check it out. Let me just finish up here with Redbox. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So, not much has changed since we last discussed this stock. I think 2 weeks ago. It's really just been consolidating since then. The stock seems like it doesn't really know what to do at this point. Let's see here. We have an equal amount of bullish and bearish indicators. We have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, bull flag, gap down, and we have bearish indicators in the gap up, MACD, and aftermarket action. And we have a neutral indicator in the RSI. So overall, it is pretty hard to tell which way this is going to go in the short term. But I think what's important here is that, again, there's a gap up at 860 and a gap down at 1370. So at some point, it's going to have to come back down to 860 and back up to 1370. Just a matter of which one's going to happen first. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Honestly, $10 isn't such a bad entry. Very average entry, according to the RSI. But like I said, this should come back down to 860 at some point. So I think if you're a little patient here, you should be able to enter at 860 and lower. And if it pulls back, then you I can't support going long at 860. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. And best case scenario, it comes back down to 860 before it goes back up to 1370. If that's the case, then from 860 up to 1370, that should be around a 60% upside potential. So yeah, $10 not a bad entry. But I think 860 would be an excellent entry. And if the gap at 1370 does not fill, then this will have a lot of upside potential. So ideally, that's going to happen. That's the best case scenario. So I would say going long at the current price, $10 would be a medium risk, medium reward play. It's an okay play, nothing too special. But I think going long at 860 would be a low risk, high reward play. So yeah, going long at 860 definitely worth a shot in my opinion. And again, I would cover at 1370 where the gap is. And again, I would sell at 1370 where the gap is. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that. And I personally would not do that. Again, $10 not a bad entry on the short side either. $10 not a bad entry on the short side either. Very average entry. And again, this should come back down to 860 to fill the gap there. And from the current price, that would be around and from the current price, $10, that would be around a 15% downside. So already some pretty decent downside potential. But again, at some point, this should come back up to 1370 to fill the gap there. And I think that would be an excellent entry. So I can't support going short at 1370 and higher. And ideally, this comes back up to 1370 before the gap fills at 860. Because that would mean you could enter at 1370 and cover at 860. And that would be about a 40% downside potential. So I would say going short at the current price, $10 would be a medium risk, medium reward play, but going short at 1370 where the gap is would be a low risk, high reward play. So yeah, $10 not a bad entry on the short side. You should be able to make some decent money. But personally, I would try to get this back. I would try to short this down at 1370 and higher. And that should be some pretty fat tendies. And that should be a relatively easy 40% on the downside there. So pretty straightforward, guys. This is still a popular retail stock. Ape's still in here, although it does appear like the momentum is cooling off. Stock is trading sideways at this point. Doesn't really know what it wants to do. So let's see what happens. But yeah, at some point this is going to have to come back down to 860 and back up to 1370. So if you want to go long, the current price $10, not a bad entry, but I think 860 would be a much better entry. And if you enter at 860, there's going to be about a 60% upside potential. So I would support going along at 860 and lower, and selling at 1370 and higher. And if you want to go short, same thing, $10, not a bad entry. But if you're able to short this down at 1370, and cover at 860, that would be the most ideal situation. That should be a relatively easy 40% to the downside. So there are opportunities to make money on both sides here. Bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. So yeah, lots of attendees here all around. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is RDBX Redbox Entertainment. Okay. I think that's it, guys. That's all the TA for today. So yeah, that took longer than I expected, but it's now about 5:30. And we got a lot of links here from Low Roller and my Yolos. So yeah, we should get done here in around like 20-30 minutes. So yeah, took a lot longer than I expected. A lot of talking, but I hope I didn't bore you guys too much. Hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, let's get to the Yolos and the additional articles now. I hope Kevin Durant sold his Coinbase stock since he is getting wrecked now. I don't think he did, but he got in real early, so he still should be up. But KD will be fine. He's a good businessman. You know, LeBron and KD, Magic Johnson, Michael Jordan, all good businessmen. Steph Curry too. You know, athletes are getting smart now, not just blowing their money on mansions and cars and women and stuff. Actually investing their money. I think Tom Brady too. He's pretty into business. What up, Munir? What's up? Nice here. Wow, there's a lot outside. Appreciate you for being here, dude. Glad you could make the show. And yeah, it is nice here. I'm not sure if you mean I'm dressed nice or it's just a nice show today, but yeah, both. Show is getting really popular. Community is growing, so yeah, appreciate you. Welcome back. KD still hold it. He bought covered call. I think you're joking there, but yeah, I still think he has his Coinbase stock. But that would be a good idea right now. Selling covered calls. You can't buy covered calls, but selling covered calls. KD don't care. He's balling. Posted a clip in Discord for you. All right, I'll check it out. Thanks, Ziptic. How's everyone trading today? Can't speak for everyone, but I think that's pretty much how it's going. Coinbase, $57 now. That low? Later, bro. All right, later, Ziptic. Peace out. Hope you come back in future shows. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here today, dude. Alex, what's up? Think you're new here? Not sure, but welcome to the show and the community. Is 9 too much to buy at for Redbox? Not sure if you just missed it, but kind of. I would say 860 is a good time to enter. 860 and lower, because that's where the gap is. So it should come back down there. So that's around $9. I guess that's acceptable. So Yeah, I think anything 860 and lower is a good entry. Rev. All right, Rev, got you. So I also talked about that. So if you want, you could check the playback or the video later. But for Rev, yes, I would say 9 is too much to buy. Probably FOMO there. Because I just did the TA, not sure if you saw it, but it looks pretty bearish at this point. So, yeah, I would say 9 is probably not a good entry. Probably a good short entry, to be honest. And I think a good long entry would be 7 and lower. Personally, I think 550 would be a good entry on the long side. So, yeah, I don't like going long at 9. Hope he didn't do that. But yeah, good luck to you, dude. Yeah, I would say 7 and lower, preferably 550. Bitcoin pumping, then bad news came out Voyager today. We'll get to that right now. Alright, guys, so anything else, questions, comments, concerns, put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we'll just finish up with the articles and Yolos here. So give me 1 second. There's a lot of stuff to pull up here. Yeah, a lot of stuff. So we'll start with low rollers articles, and then we'll get to the Yolos. And please smash that like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Let me check YouTube right now, matter of fact. 6 viewers, 16 likes. So yeah, appreciate everyone who's still here. Some people dip, but still a good amount of people here. Appreciate you guys.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Alright. Give this another second. I guess we don't have to. We can get started here. Alright, what's this? Voyager token, down 20%. Ouch. Pretty nasty. Voyager enters into $500 million loan agreement with Alameda amid 3AC. Oh, that's the Three Arrows Capital that had to liquidate, or they got margin called, I think. Three Arrows owes the firm 15,000 Bitcoin and 350 million USDC. Oh my god. Well, I don't know if they're gonna get that back. I hope they do, but that was a pretty risky loan. So we got wrecked on the Three Arrows and borrowed 15,000 Bitcoin from Alameda to cover the loss. Well, so I don't know too much about Voyager, but yeah, we did talk about Three Arrows Capital last week, or was it this week? I think it was last week. And it seems like Voyager got hit pretty hard from that. So yeah, the whole ecosystem is going, affects each other right now. This is live. Bitcoin just went down. It's below 20K now. So I hope it works out. Hope Voyager gets the money back. Because now they're on margin because someone else couldn't pay back their margin. Doesn't sound that great. If you are a Voyager user, you better withdraw all your coin before it could be next Celsius. Yeah, I don't trust it. Definitely withdraw all your money before they lock it. Mullen was mentioned on Fox News today. What'd they say? Was it good? Hope it keeps running. It should keep running until next week. Binance US eliminating fees on Bitcoin trades. Yeah, I did see this. They're competing with Binance, not Binance. Not crypto.com. Coinbase. Because Coinbase has those crazy fees. So yeah, no fees on Bitcoin. And USD, USDC, USDT, and BUSD. So not many people use Binance US, but this definitely makes this will definitely get some people going over. Because the fees are crazy. Fees are absolutely crazy on Coinbase. It's a race to the bottom. Yeah. So there should be no fees. So this is good for Binance US. Should make a lot more competition. Binance try to compete Robinhood. Yeah, I think they're already better than Robinhood. But yeah, not so many people use Binance US, so I think that'll get more users there. Battery. Mullen battery may be legit. More battery news. Did the CEO come on, or did he make a statement or something? The fact that we're questioning if it's legit or not is, a red flag. But I sure hope it is. What do you think of this Asian YouTuber guy named Chris Norland? He claimed he is a professor of 10 years and teach folks how to make money, but been calling a lot of other YouTubers a fraud. So far, he haven't named you yet. Well, I'm not that big, but you're gonna get more haters the bigger you get, so maybe one day we'll get there. It'd be an honor. Professor at 10 years of what? I don't even know who this guy is. But, professors don't teach money and banking in college. They teach finance, but there's no personal investing class. So I don't really care how long he taught for it. No. They don't teach that stuff in college. But yeah. I mean, maybe he'll call me a fraud in the future. I'll check him out. I've never even heard of that guy. But I don't like those channels where all their content is beefing with other creators, I don't like that type of content. Gets views, but you gotta go pretty low to make content like that. Just trashing other YouTubers if you have no reason to. Yeah, haters gonna hate. Check him out. Let me know. Is he legit or a fraud himself? All right, I'll check him out. Chris Norland. Can you put that in Discord? You got Jasmine Coin hater. Look, Jasmine Coin price now. Who is laughing? Yeah, it's under 1 cent now, right? Yeah. I remember that. I got shadow banned for that. Jasmine and Loopring. I said they're pieces of garbage. I said they're poop coins, and people didn't take too well to that. But yeah, who's laughing now? Right, exactly. All right, Bitcoin miners sold their entire May harvest report. Well, oh, they sold their whole business? No, they sold their Bitcoin holdings. Yeah, so even Bitcoin miners struggling here. Yeah, all the crypto's struggling. Russell Westbrook, Malcolm Brogdon trade offer. The Pacers rejected. I mean, yeah, no one wants to take on Westbrook. Nobody wants Westbrook. Nobody wants Irving right now. Bad contracts. So, yeah, Lakers probably going to be stuck with him. And then Nets are going to be stuck with Irving. How a Solend whale with the $108 million loan nearly crashed the Solana network? Really? Solana almost went down? What is Solend? I never even heard of that. That's like Anchor for Terra. Interesting. Yeah, so I'm not gonna read all this, but some whale almost crashed Solana, I guess. Yeah, I don't trust this stuff. Because they can do this. They can crash anything and cash out. So I'm glad it didn't happen. May happen in the future, though. U.S. Fed evaluating SEC's position on digital assets custody, Powell says. SEC directive that customers' digital assets may need to be treated as belonging to an exchange's balance sheet has banking regulators scratching their heads, but about how it'll work. Yeah, that is kind of weird. I don't know if they should add that to the balance sheet. That's what Coinbase did, and they were like, so if we go bankrupt, we don't really have to pay you back. It's kind of our money. Yeah, we do need more clarity on crypto. Clarity and regulation. Alright, so good stuff there. Thanks, Low Roller. And let me pull up my Yolos now. Only got like 6 of them. Alright, let's give this a second to finish loading. Westbrook will be unemployed in 2024 since no one will sign him. No, someone will sign him, but no one's going to sign him for that amount of money that he's getting now. He's not the same player, and doesn't command that amount of money. So he'll probably be around for a while. Just he's gonna be another Melo, just like one of these role players that scores a lot, but isn't a good team player. All right, looks like we got more from Low Roller. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, so let's get started on the YOLOs. I only got 6 today, and looks like Low Roller has a few for us. So this should be fun, nothing too serious, mostly memes. Let's do it. This is by Silver Chia. Breaking news, fiery but mostly soft landing. So yeah, here we have a, what's like CNBC meme. Fiery but mostly soft landing, says Jay Powell. So, it's probably what it's going to change to. Mostly soft landing. Inflation is transitory. Soft landing. 50 basis points. Blah, 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 blah. No one believes this guy. So, pretty accurate stuff here. Alright, this is by DTI86. MFR is worth 180 million. So, this is Jim Cramer. I'm worth 180 million, and I can F your mom anytime. So, I don't get this. His salary is 2 million, but his monthly income is 3 million. I mean, that's already pretty good. He's getting paid 2 million by CNBC. And 3 million monthly. So he's making 30 million a year? 36 million a year? Really? From what? Your hedge fund? Well, yeah, we can hit on this guy all we want, but he's balling. Get that TV money, get that hedge fund money. So, in the end, Jim Cramer is a winner. A shout out to Jim Cramer. This is by Drunken Iron Worker 55. This dude belongs here. So, this guy is new to naked options. So, he's thinking about, I think, selling naked calls here. Not covered calls, naked calls. So, he sees, what is he missing? literally can't go tits up. Yeah, this is how you lose all your money. Risk-free profits. That's pretty funny. No, this guy's gonna get wrecked. So yeah, never play naked options, guys. It usually works, but when things go bad, you're gonna get margin called. That's what happened to Melvin Capital, and everyone else that got wrecked on GME. So yeah, typical Wall Street bet stuff. What am I missing? Can't go tits up. And this is you guys should not be encouraging this. This is crazy. This guy's gonna lose all his money. But you live and learn. So yeah, Drunken Iron Worker 55. Thanks for posting. Don't play naked options. Bad idea. But if you do, please report back. Let us know how it goes. All right, now we got some actual plays here. Wow, Low Roller has 5 links for us, and Joe's in the house. What's up, Joe? What's up? Thanks for being here, dude. Came in at the very end, but appreciate you. All right, this is by PME Conan. Now I am short. So I don't know what this guy did, but he's down 650K for the year, 56%.
And it's gone.
And apparently now he's short. So how much did he lose? He was at like 1.2 million. Now he's at 5.3. So this is a bit odd. I don't know how he lost this much money. Unless he was in some aggressive stocks, aggressive growth stocks, or FDs. Because he shouldn't have lost this much. This is really rough. But yeah, not sure what he did. But I guess he was a little more aggressive than he should have been. But he'll be alright. Still got a lot of money here. It'll recover. Just time in hands. And I hope he's joking about going short. I don't know why you would buy high, sell low, and then short low. But yeah, this is some pretty good loss corn here. A lot of money, 650K. So PME, Conan, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not sure what you did, but doesn't seem too degenerate. Just a little aggressive. But you'll be alright, dude. Just time in hands, hold it. And I hope you're joking about going short. Please don't short this right now. That's probably the worst thing you can do. Buy high, sell low, short low. Okay, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss so far. Hang in there. And please post updates. Alright, this is by Lord of the Eyes. I'll take 50 tickets to Uranus, please. Alright, so what do we have here? GME FD, July 15th. $250 call. 15K YOLO. And right now he's up over 8K, 55%. What the hell? How is this up? Well, I guess Jimmy has been going up. Alright, so straight up, hit the sell button. Hit the sell button. Ain't no way this is going to 250. You gotta be kidding me. No way. No way at all. I don't even know how you're up 8K. 55% at this point. So I can pretty much guarantee you, in a month, in less than a month, 4 weeks, it's not going to 250. So, yeah, I don't recommend you guys do this. Bad strike, bad expiration, but he's up right now. And yeah, dude, only one thing to do, hit the sell button. If you don't, it's most likely going to 0. So, risky stuff, risky play. Working out here, cash out before you lose everything. Pretty straightforward. So, Lord of the Eyes, thanks for posting. Bad play, but hey, you got lucky so far. Hit the sell button before you lose everything. Thanks for posting. Good luck, dude. Alright, this is by DIY Dude 123. YOLOing into Beyond Meat and waiting till fall for earnings report for the summer grilling season. 42% of the float is being held short. So I'm not really sure what the cost basis even is. But it looks like a good amount here. 305 in stock. A lot of leaps here. Got a bunch of January 2023, 2024 leaps, and one September leaps, so... Well, I guess not a leaps anymore. So I'm not sure what the cost basis is, but this guy loaded up on Beyond Meat. Very bullish. So I hope it works out. Shout out to him. And if you're gonna do it, this is how you should do it. Buying lots of leaps here, not FDs. So I like this one. This is ape diversification, but this is like responsible gambling here. So I support it. Good luck to you, DIY dude 123. Thanks for posting, and please post updates. Damn, low roller got a lot of stuff here. Seven of them. All right, so that's all I got. Let's finish up here with 7 more from low roller. Yeah, we should be out of here by 6. So appreciate everyone who's still here. We're just chilling at this point. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. What is this? This is Kramer. Mad money. Apple is going bankrupt. They're clowning on Jim Cramer here. That's pretty funny. Can't get a break. Yeah, he's worth 180 mil. So who's laughing at the end? Come on. Still loading here. Give this another second. Alright, let's see. Oh, it got deleted? What happened? Try to open that again. Beyond stock on clearance like it is at my local stores. Beyond Meat is on clearance? Isn't that stuff expensive? I don't really eat, like veggie burgers and stuff like that, but I thought Beyond Meat was supposed to be expensive. It's cheap? Interesting. It has gone down quite a bit. Alright, what's this? Made a nice gain overnight puts and then sold 2 more puts 2 more times intraday. Nice. So he made 18K today. Nice, nice. Pretty risky stuff. Holy crap, look at his account. Ran it up, down, crazy price action. But yeah, 18,000 bucks, 18%, very nice. Congrats to this guy. Stonks. What the hell happened here? So he was at 65K, and now he's at 9K?
And it's gone.
What? Well, look at this graph. Wow. Moonshot. Lose half. Moonshot. Lose half. Moonshot. Hey, triple topped. His account triple topped. And it's gone.
And it's gone.
So yeah, definitely FDs. Or margin, or both. Not responsible investing here. So, yeah, that's pretty rough. But hey, at least you get a write-off for 9 years there. Probably more. More than that. More like 20 years. Yeah, major loss cord. Chill, guys. Chill with the Yolos. Be smart. SoFi YOLO, it's not going well. Might bail on it. He's gonna hit the sell button. It's not even that bad yet. So 30K YOLO, 31K YOLO. 2023. What's the strike? $6 call. I mean, I like it. This one's not too bad. You know, very reasonable strike. Good expiration. It's not going that bad. So, yeah, I don't know. I'd hold this one for now. This one's actually not that bad. This is not like super degen FDs. These are, you know, good strike, good expiration, leaps. So, yeah, good luck to you, dude. Pretty big YOLO here. Hope it works out, but I wouldn't bail on it just yet. Got a lot of time here. I'd diamond hands for now, but good luck to you, dude. Yeah, I saw it last week at Walmart on the clearance section. I think I have seen it a couple times at, like, yeah, Walmart and Wegmans. But, you know, I like some real meat. I ain't gonna eat that. Pay that much money for, veggie burgers. Bitcoin leverage you saw. You lost $1 million. He lost $1 million and filed bankruptcy. Who? Oh, this one. 100x leverage Bitcoin filed for bankruptcy today. 7,100 in assets against 1.2 against $1 million in liabilities.
And it's gone.
Yeah, this is why I don't play on margin, guys. And I can't believe that crypto is so easy to get margin loans on. That would do it. Yeah, that would do it. 100x leverage. And he didn't have a stop loss. Valuable lessons here today. Chill with the FDs, chill with the YOLOs, chill with the super leverage. So yeah, that's how you lose $1 million. Absolutely disgusting. What is the link you skipped too quickly? For what? I clicked on all the links, dude. I opened all your links. All right, I was shorting Bitcoin using 25 leverage. So did he make money? Well, he's shorting Bitcoin. So how much did he make here? I don't even know how much he made here. Did he make $3 million? Is that right? Yeah, I don't know how much he made here, but I think he made $3 million. I don't know. So I'll give it the, So sometimes it can go really good. But yeah, you guys shouldn't gamble like this. Very, very risky stuff. So congrats to this guy. Fat Tendy's here. And yeah, this got deleted. So can't do this one. But alright guys, so that is the show for today. Good stuff, good stuff. We're finishing exactly 2 hours in. And the show started a little slow, but a lot of people came in during the middle and the end here. So, yeah, really good show. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. Not too much to cover, but, you know, well, actually, we did have a lot to cover after Low Roller came in. Good amount of articles, 2 TAs, and a lot of YOLOs. So, yeah, really good show. Didn't have too much planned, but turned out to be a really good show. And I couldn't do it without you guys, so much appreciated. Let me check YouTube real quick. Still got 6 viewers in here. 6 viewers, 17 likes. So shout out to everyone who's still here, who stayed till the very end.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
You guys are the real ones. Much thanks. Couldn't do it without you guys. And that's all I got for today. So anything else? Questions, comments, concerns? Put it in the chat right now. Charts, anything. Otherwise, we out of here. All right, peace out, Joe. Catch you later. The message got deleted. It is Bitcoin meme. Too late now, dude. I didn't see that one. Yeah, you had a lot of stuff today for us, so thanks for that, dude. 928 subs, really? All right, so we went up a couple from earlier. I remember you. I'm only one talking in the chat in your stream. Yeah, it's been a while. You've been around for a while, dude. Zach was like the OG, but yeah, Low Roller, you were there from the beginning too. Yeah, I remember I was just talking to myself most of the time, and now we have a full-on community growing here. So it's only been a year, but we're growing very quickly, and a lot of stuff to come. So shout out to the community. Appreciate everyone. All right, I think that's it. So let's get out of here, guys. So I'm going to work on these videos, and yeah, catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on The Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Cocaine is a hell of
Oh. Wrong button. I'm gonna get flagged by YouTube now. There's this one. Can't see, too dark.